Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Scholastic Corporation, a global leader in children's publishing, education, and media. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Scholastic Corporation reported its fiscal 2025 first quarter results, showing a 4% increase in revenues to $237.2 million, driven by the acquisition of 9 Story Media Group. The company saw an 11% reduction in operating loss to $88.5 million. Key segments like children's book publishing and distribution and entertainment showed growth, while education solutions faced a decline. Scholastic affirmed its fiscal 2025 guidance and highlighted strategic initiatives, including new media properties and structured literacy programs.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $237.2 million, a 4% increase from $228.5 million in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP diluted earnings per share was 2.21 compared to 2.35 in the same period last year. The non-GAAP diluted EPS, excluding one-time items, was 2.13 compared to $2 in the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Children's book publishing and distribution revenues increased 3% to $105.4 million. Book fairs revenues were $28.8 million, up 5%. Book clubs revenues were $2.7 million, in line with the prior year. Consolidated trade revenues were $73.9 million, up 2%. Education solutions revenues decreased 16% to $55.7 million. Entertainment revenues were $16.6 million, primarily due to the addition of 9 Story Media Group. International revenues were $56.8 million, in line with the prior year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Cash and cash equivalents, $84.1 million. Accounts receivable, net, $201.1 million. Inventories, net, $310.3 million. Accounts payable, $184.0 million. Deferred revenue, $173.9 million. Accrued royalties, $77.5 million. Film-related obligations, $34.1 million. Lines of credit and long-term debt, $231.1 million. Net cash debt, $152.1 million. Total stockholders' equity, $953 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Net cash used by operating activities, $41.9 million. Additions to property, plant, and equipment and pre-publication expenditures, $24.4 million. Net borrowings, repayments of film-related obligations, $2.4 million. Free cash flow use, $68.7 million. Net cash debt, $152.1 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Acquisition of 9 Story Media Group, launch of The Magic School Bus and Clifford Classic channels on advertising-supported distribution platforms, development of new structured literacy programs and supplemental products for schools, scheduled for launch next summer.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company affirmed its fiscal 2025 guidance, but did not provide specific revenue and gross margin figures.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Scholastic Corporation showed signs of improvement with a modest increase in revenue and a reduction in operating loss. The acquisition of 9-Story Media Group and strategic initiatives in media and education are expected to drive future growth. However, challenges remain in the education solutions segment, and the company is focused on cost-cutting and strategic investments to enhance long-term growth.
That's all for today's analysis of Scholastic Corporation's performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Scholastic is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.